We are back on the Holden wall, and of course Black Knight hood is up, so that only means one thing and one thing only. We're going back under the hood. All right, let's get it. So what's going on, family? Welcome to another edition of Black Knight Mustang Lifestyle. Of course, y'all know it starts with coffee. Good old community coffee from the house. And y'all know this is, put this coffee over here, sponsored by Community Coffee. All right, we're going to go back into, back up under the hood that we didn't finish. We was waiting on parts. If I can find a latch. Anyway, we finally get ready to say goodbye to the hood prop. And we're going to install, we finally got the parts from American Muscle, got the for the hood struts. So we're going to go ahead and install them today. And let's quit all the talking. Let's go to work, y'all. Let's. You can see we do have the hood struts on. And I got it adjusted where I can close my hood all the way. But it's not latching good. But as y'all can see, man, you can't beat them hood straps. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Looks a lot better than this prop up here. So anyway, we're going to take that prop out. And man, that looks good. And that chrome right there just pops it out. Looks good. So other than that, y'all, I think this is where we're going to end this video. Okay, family, I think this is where we're going to end this video. As y'all seen, hold on, I got to raise the camera up a little more. I think that's better. As y'all can see, the hood struts looks real good, looks better. Display my good looking motor under there, chromed out motor, painted up motor, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, simple install. So I should have been had these on the car. I don't know why I haven't. I seen when I went to the last show with Speed Addict and Boosted 931. A lot of guys had them hood props, and I was like, oh my God, Black Knight need these things. So I don't know why I didn't put them on. But with that said, y'all, we think we're gonna end this video. If you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. Also, you know, check out my other channel, which is called Crimson Truck Pride 2. Check that out. We go live every Sunday at 6 o'clock Alabama time.